Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, today I want to take a math class for class 8 and the topic is geometry theorem. Let's start the class. Look, CQ1. In the figure AB equal to CD, AB equal to CD and AB parallel CD. AB and CD are parallel. A number, name the two triangles on the basis AB. Name the two triangles on the basis AB. That means you have to write such a way that it makes triangle and their base must be AB. Look, if I choose the triangle ABC, then their base is AB. Okay? That means we say the ABC triangle and another one triangle. You think ABC, if I choose this triangle ABC, then their base also AB. So we choose ABC, A, B, D triangle. Okay, hope you understood. Look again, AB is the base. So we choose A, B, C triangle and A, B, D. In both the cases, AB is the base. Now, question number B. Prove that AD, BC are equal and parallel to each other. Okay. B number C. Given AB equal to CD and AB parallel CD, it is required to prove that AD equal to BC. Yes, and AD parallel BC. Okay. Listen again. Look, AB and CD equal given and AB and CD are parallel. Now you have to prove that AD and BC are equal and parallel. Okay? Look, AB and CD parallel. Okay, right? AB parallel CD. Okay, and AC is their transversal. Okay? Listen, AB and CD is their parallel and AC is their transversal. So we can say their alternate angles are equal. That means BAC equal to ACD. Okay? Now, in ABC triangle and ADC triangle, look, in ABC triangle and ADC triangle, AB equal to CD, which is given, AB equal to CD, this is given, and AC equal to AC. That means we can say AC is their common side, or we can write AC equal to AC, because in the both triangle AC is the common side. So we write AC equal to AC. Yes. Similarly, look, BAC this triangle and BAC this triangle equal to ACD. Okay? You look here. Here is two sides and one angles are equal. So we can say ABC triangle and ADC triangle are congruent. Okay? But dear student, look, AB side and DC side equal and AC side equal and BAC and ACD are equal. So we can say that these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, we write ABC congruent ADC. Okay? Hence, we can say AD equal to CD, AD equal to what? AD equal to BC. Okay? Similarly, we can say ACB equal to DSC, as they are congruent, as ABC and ADC triangle both are congruent. So we can say easily that AD equal to BC, AD equal to BC, and ACB, that means this triangle I have given, this triangle equal to DAC. But look, ACB and DAC are alternate angles. Look, ACB and CAD, they are alternate angles, and AC is their transversal. Okay, AC of this side AD and BC, which is like AC and of this side AD and BC. Hence, we can see that AD parallel BC. Now, see our question. Look, show that OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. Look, see our question. That means we have to prove that OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. Look, it is required to prove that OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. Proof. Given AB equal to CD and AB parallel CD. Okay, this is given in the question. And from B we get AD equal to BC. Similarly, AD parallel BC. Look, then we can say that ABCD is a parallelogram, right? Therefore, we say ABCD is a parallelogram. And AC and BD intersect at O. Okay? Now in AOD and BOC. Now we consider AOD triangle and BOC triangle. Okay, I have given this, okay, and this triangle. Carefully look. AOD and BOC triangle. AOD and BOC triangle. Okay, here AD equal to BC. AD equal to, okay, then you think ADO and OBC, they are alternate angles because AC is their transversal, so you can say ADO, this triangle equal to OBC. Similarly, look, this is OAD. I consider now this angle. Okay, this angle equal to what? This angle, because AC is their transversal and they are alternate angles, so you can say OAD equal to OCB. Okay? Look here, one side angle and the two angles are equal. So we can say that AOD triangle and BOC triangle are congruent. Hence, so we say that OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. Okay, you write must be right proved in the both the cases. Okay, dear student, hope you understood, and remember that practice makes a man perfect. So you practice more and more. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you again.